Eldohradoproductions.
Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's a boy Rado. Don't forget to subscribe. Join our Discord group down below where you can get links and share links to our stuff and connect with more people there. It is fairly new and I want to grow that community because the WhatsApp group is kind of filling up and I don't really want to delete anyone. So please do join our Discord group for a larger community. Now, without further ado, the plugin I really want to look at today, we can really make your dance or drums even knock even more, is a plugin by Decap. It's called Knocked and or Knock. And what I've seen so far, it's a fairly good plugin. So for this demonstration, I already built a beat. And what I'm going to do here is select insert 21, press Ctrl Shift, select input insert 16 and shift it to where the ending of my drum. I'm going to go back to insert 31, track routing, route selected to this track only. I'm going to bypass the tracks on the master channel, and for demonstration purposes I'm going to turn down the drums just to give it a little bit more headroom, and I'm going to go to my playlist and solo up my drum section. And what I'm going to do also is mark the chorus of this particular instrumental, so you should hear the drums only playing. Now the plugin, I'm going to do just a brief overview of the plugin. So you have punch, you have saturate, you have different algorithms here. You have the sub, in which you can use it to get more sub frequency in, and you can also use it to tune your kick to the beat. And you have ear, assuming it's a EQ, and clip some form of limiter, a high and low pass filter here, HQ here. I'm assuming that it is some oversampling, gain match, drive with knob. You can really mix the processing sound of this particular plugin versus the original signal. So what I'm going to do is play the drum loop, add some punch, off, see if I can make it look a bit more grimy. So you can hear the kick is getting really harder and the snare is really smacking that much. I'm going to add some saturation to it. Wow. I'm going to change the algorithm to medium, to hard. That's some distortion, to smooth. Turn on the punch a little bit. So yeah, really liking that so far. I'm just to turn back down this, add some ear. I think the vintage is a little bit more smoother, and the clean add a lot more high end. Test the clip. Whoa, it's like some gain. Put some gain match here. It's like clipping the highs. Turn off the gain match. Oh, it's between hard and soft clipping, so done good. That's much more cleaner. I'm gonna turn it off. Dry, wet, dry, wet. Alright, so add back the punch. Some medium color. add some sub, turn on the headphone a little bit because it's getting really loud in here. Add some clean ear. See what the tone knobs do to this. Add more lows. Subtract the highs. Add more highs. Subtract the lows a little bit. It does make it a little bit cleaner. I'm really liking that. See what about the filter here. Oh, 20 hertz. I think I have about 30 hertz. I think anything below that we don't really need. And up here I'm gonna bring it to about 20,000. Yeah, we're pretty much not here really much here. So dry, wet. Oh, the decay. Oh, the length of the bass note. I'm gonna leave it there. So you can use this to, as we say, tune your kick. I think this beat is in look at it again. It's in G minor. So I'm going to that's a lot of low end. Add some more punch. Yeah. Now the drums are getting really aggressive. So I'm going to really like how that sound. So I'm going to play it in the context of the instrumental and hear its sound. I think the one of the hi-hats is coming out a little bit too harsh, so I pass it down a little bit. This plugin is mean, you know. It is very mean, mad and mean, you know. I really like this plugin because it can use as a drum enhancement to enhance any drums that you have. But the purpose of this video, I just use it on a bus to let it hear it sound overall. It can be used on individual sounds, and I wonder if it makes vocals even knock harder, you know. It is a very decent plugin. I really like it. I think I will be using this more on some of my beat making when I'm making beats, especially on an individual sound, to get it up to the level that I really need it to be, or tonally shape some of my sounds. Yeah, but in regards to that same way, you still gonna need mixing to get that clean, pristine sound that, you know, this add on to it same way. But it is a very good plugin. I recommend it to anyone who making beats or mixing beats overall. I recommend it. So it's a very decent plugin. I really like it, and please do check it out. It's over at plugins.knack.com. It's a plugin by Decap, and please do follow Decap on his Instagram. That guy dropped a whole heap of gems on his Instagram. So you probably can learn one or two things there, and follow him on YouTube also. You drop a lot of gems where you can use in your beat making process also. So until next time, it's a boy Eldoh. Please do join our Discord group, subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you can really get notified. It helps the YouTube algorithm also. So please do give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you have anything more to say, please do leave it in the comments below in the comment section. And have a wonderful day. It's a boy Eldoh. Until next time, peace out.